Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Nykaa app you click on settings. So here you will go to settings as you see and we click. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window you will search about Nykaa and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.